it's Lynette here, and today I want to come on and do a review of this night moisturiser that I've been using. It's from Dr. Botanicals and it's Turmeric Superfood Restoring Night Moisturiser. Now it's from their Apothecary, I can't say that properly, Apothecary Natural Collection, and the main active ingredient in this product is turmeric. Which is high in antioxidants. I use it for pain. It's actually really good for pain, turmeric and black pepper, believe it or not. I take a capsule though because I'm not a fan of the spice. It's really muddy. You have to add quite a lot to get any benefits. So I do take a capsule. So when I saw this was turmeric, I was really interested to give it a go. It also has shea butter, which has fatty acids which smooth the skin. So I had to go online to Google to see if I could find a price for this, and in a lot of places it was sold out, but I did find a couple of places that were selling it for £22, and that's for 50 mils. So it does last a while, to be honest with you. It's vegan and it's also not tested on animals, which to me is always a bonus point when buying a product. So I've nearly finished it, so that's why I wanted to come on and do the review, because I wanted to be able to pop it into my empties collection, but I also wanted to do a review. So I don't know if you can see from my ring light, but the colour of the cream is yellow. It's quite a bright yellow. Don't know if you can see that there. That's really annoying. It's a bright yellow. It does not stain your skin though, because turmeric stains everything, but this doesn't stain your skin, luckily. The third ingredient, when I checked online, the third ingredient was glycerin. So when you're looking for a moisturiser that's hydrating, glycerin should be ideally the second or third ingredient. It's usually always aqua, which is the first. So this had glycerin as its third ingredient. So it is a hydrating night cream, and I did wake up in the morning and my skin did feel really smooth. I wouldn't pay £22 for it though. I don't think it's actually any better than my ones that I've picked up from Superdrug at £6. It's a lovely product though, but I don't know how much you can't even see that bit there. I don't know how much of the turmeric is actually in it, because it's quite far down the list. So there's only probably going to be a little bit of turmeric in it, but I don't actually know if you're getting any benefit from the turmeric actually going into the skin. I'm not sure how it works. So it's supposed to smooth your skin. I mean, it didn't do anything for wrinkles or anything, because I don't think, you know, you're going to get that unless it's got a retinol in it. But it was a nice moisturiser and I would recommend it. However, I just wouldn't pay the £22 for it. I know it's got lots of good things in it, but it's kind of 50 mils. So I know I buy Elemis, so that sounds a bit crazy. But yeah, I would probably stick to my vitamin D range from Superdrug, to be honest with you. But it was a nice moisturiser, and if you have it below, let me know. Would you pay £22 for 50 mils? Yeah, I can't say I woke up and noticed a huge amount of difference. My skin did feel nice and soft. Again, that's the glycerin that's in the product. So anyway, rate it or hate it. I would rate it. I just wouldn't buy it again, just because it's £22. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Let me know what you think though, if you've used this or if you purchase it. Am I being a wee bit unfair? Should I buy it again, despite the fact it's £22 for 50 mils? And I really don't know that it made any difference other than making my skin feel nice and soft in the morning, which a night moisturiser usually always does for me. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope this hasn't been too boring. I thought I would just do a wee quick video just on a product that I've been using. So anyway, let me know below what you think, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye guys.